Hello and welcome to CMA month. As you know, market conditions are always changing, so a CMA needs to be checked over time, especially if you prepare the CMA one day and it takes your prospective client a few days to make a decision. The CMA you prepared on one day needs to be updated along the way. There are always new sales, new listings, older sales that become less valid because it's been too long. And one great way to check on this quickly and to make sure that you're up to date is to use iMapp. All you have to do is launch iMapp from your single sign-on and enter your property address. On the right-hand side, you'll see that it says Find Comparables. You can click here and see comparables quickly and efficiently. You can set your criteria where it says comparison criteria, and if you'd like to set your default, click on set as default. If you need to change it on a case-by-case basis, you can change your criteria and use the button that says update criteria. Now, with just the click of a button, I can see comparables that are up to date, all using iMapp. Thank you for being a Miami member.